What's going on, everybody? Here we are. It's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have our unboxing of the Acoustics Concept 20. So let's get to it. First of all, if you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find things like product reviews, comparisons, unboxings like this one, a home theater basics series. So check out all the videos, watch them, share them with your friends. We really appreciate it. Also, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload new content. A few weeks ago, I reviewed the Acoustics 3010i bookshelf speakers, and I really like those speakers. I like the way they sound, and I also like the way they look. In the comment section of that video, many of you asked me how I felt about the Concept 20s because it's a slight step up from the 3010i's, and at the time I didn't know because I hadn't reviewed them, so I decided to get a pair in and review them. Now, honestly, I'm a bit nervous about these speakers, and I'm nervous because I really like those 3010i's. I had the English walnut finish, and they didn't have that in the Concept 20s. They only had a black and a white. And I decided to go with white because white's a little bit more risky. I figure a little bit harder to manufacture, but I'm just nervous that these may not look as good. They'll probably look fine, but I'm a little bit nervous about that. But anyways, this is the box they come in. It's a little bit bigger than the 3010i's, but it's manageable. Obviously, they're not that big. I can carry them up the steps all by myself, as you should be with a pair of bookshelf speakers, unless they're huge. These aren't that big. As you can see along the front, it's got Acoustics and it's got a pair of speakers on the front. So if you're concerned about someone stealing packages from the front of your house, off your porch, that sort of thing, you may want to be there when they deliver them or have a neighbor pick them up for you, because I mean, obviously people can see that you have a set of speakers. But like I said, the box is not too big. You can definitely pick it up yourself. And enough about that. Let's break this box open and see exactly how these things look. Here it is, the moment of truth. I'm just kidding. All right. So that's how it looks like that. And it says Concept and it says 20 bottom. So this must be the bottom of the speaker. So that's interesting. So I guess what I could do is I could pull this out like that. And let's see what we have here. We have the book along with what looks like some rubber feet or something like that. Foam plugs. Some desiccant to keep moisture out. And of course the little bags that the speakers are in. Pick them up from this side. It's actually kind of hard. All right, so picking these up from the side is a little bit hard since I'm up on a little bit higher table. So I'm gonna put these on the floor and pick them up that way. Okay, so here's the first one. And here's the second one. Moment of truth, right? Moment of truth. There's the first one. And there's the second one. Little static cling there. They look really good. Got an award in 2014. Ooh, that does look sharp there. Little grill. Looks like got the little pegs on the bottom there. Dome tweeter, woofer. place where you put them. This is sort of a gray finish. It's not shiny, but matte. There's the other one. So they look pretty good. They're obviously bigger than the 3010 eyes. Let's turn it around so you can see the back. And there's the back. So we've got the port there, and we've got the left or positive and negative terminals for power. And these are bi-amped if you want to bi-amp them. Acoustics did a great job with the gloss white finish on this cabinet. It's nice and smooth to the touch. And one plus is it doesn't seem to pick up fingerprints like a piano black finish would. I like the contrast of the black woofer and tweeter against the silver and white surfaces of the speaker. Although I would prefer that the grill be magnetically attached versus the 4 holes on each corner that currently hold the grill in place. Attaching the grill with magnets would make the front surface much cleaner. So there you have it, the unboxing for the Acoustics Concept 20s. I will be reviewing these over the next week or so, so expect to see that full review in about a week. And then after that, I will do the comparison between this and the 3010 eyes. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, consider supporting us at patreon.com and Amazon. We'll talk to you next time.